the next day. Having pani popo, steak and cheese, young pie, coffee.
Okay.
Whainga saʻo ale kau whaipangi.
E pele ino urana Tamaya o sumanatu E te alofa moni a te au Me o mau i o mawhawhama Te ane wa mawaluma Musa i le ngasa O pula pula Musa i le ngasa Na pasia o pula pula
Oh, so good. Yole, fayole, kimpe spese.
Ito ilenu oilo E mahui tu na mawo tato tino Alule anganganoko ile parataiso E tatalia ile asofa masino Lela lola ngisana uona Sa osuela oya umapapa Kona Ayaw kilangona Olo fa amawaluna Oh my day una watu uwa Nea
So my sister and her dance group doing a practice outside. What? She wants that look. Is that the last Samoan? The last Samoan dance group? How many girls are there? 4. Samoan. Say hi. Nice dance. To my bed. You wanna go dance? Wanna learn how to sing Samoan? You wanna learn to sing Samoan? in. Oh, man, look at you, so grown. So I'm currently making pasta, chicken pasta. I actually got relatives coming over, so that's why we're making a lot of food today again. So yeah, this is my delicious pasta. Already got done with the potato salad, potato salad, man-made chop suey, yum, and also this ume from Samoa. Once I'm done with this, I'm gonna make bolognese. Already got the ingredients here. Yeah. Say hi to Uncle Ben. Uncle Ben. Mary, hungry? 70.
Oh yeah, you were at his birthday.
Yeah. Yummy.
You want ice cream? All right.
One on the ground one.
Ice cream. Look at me, Gabriel. Look. Hello. Wee. It's a lot of effort to get there. Baby, I'm off to church. Alright, Talafalava, everyone. I do have something to say. And it is about church today. So we're just in the car waiting for our parents because, you know, they're doing some other stuff, other formality stuff, but I thought I'll share something with you guys, something that I've encountered, more like overheard when I came outside. You know, obviously I'm from Maya, so I came outside to shush her because she was making a bit of noise inside. Overheard someone say, "Man, can't be sitting in that shit." You know, it's so I wanted to say that, you know, if you don't feel like coming to church, like if your heart is not all there, don't force yourself. You know, what's the point? You're just filling out space in the church. Like, what's the point of you coming? Alright, just came to, didn't think that we would come because I was not feeling well today, but just here to bring Amaya to enjoy. I think he's gonna love this. Wow. Oh, look, Santa. Whoa. Wow. Yeah, you like that?
The red card.
Huh?
You can only sit in the red card.
Oh yeah, that's fine. This one here? Is there another one? No. Amora, have you been on this ride before? Yeah? Enjoy it, baby. Amora! Look, Amora. Amora's coming with you. You'll like it, baby. You'll like it. Chill out. Look, Amora's coming with you. Ticka ticka ticka, ticka ticka ticka. Yay! Amora. So funny. So most of the rides, she's not allowed. So now we're here, just bringing her here in this playroom so that she can, you know, enjoy a bit of color, bit of music. Look! Why is it so loud? Yeah, but it's just nice to bring her out, you know. It is what it is. I wonder why they're free. They're free for a reason. You enjoy, baby? Huh? Look, there's so many. Look. And look at this one. Amara. Go slide. Slide again. Go. Say Amara.
Mama.
Mama? Normally she says mummy, mummy.
He was, Mama.
Alright, that is it for today. You love music, huh? What is it? You want to go in there? Oh, no? Okay. Okay. Fish. Oh, because there's fishies in there. Go, have a look. One more. The spectators. Come, baby. Dance, dance. Dun, 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 dun. Dance, baby. It's locked, baby. What are you doing? These are massive. Look, panda. Panda, look. Oh. Look, baby. I swear she's scared of everything. It's dragon. Mommy's sitting on the dragon. And it's 5 o'clock. Everyone's sleeping now. Tin, 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 tin. Tin, 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 tin. We are going to have dinner at Denny's. Hi. Hi. Oh, you're so pretty. Aww. Love you. Stay in touch, okay? Yeah. How's Linda Jane?
She's alright.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, Ben. Bye, Zach. Bye. Bye, Naya.
Bye, bye, you mega extra.
Bye, Naya. I love you. Bye, Isha. Bye, Lani.
Bye bye.
I said,
Say bye-bye.
Why is she eating a bracelet?
Say bye-bye.
sit back. Sit back.
Say twice.
Bye.
Say bye. You don't need it? What happened? What? What is it? Ants? Look here. What is it right now?
Which one?
Go, go. Go, go. Go, go. Go, Amira, 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 go. Go, 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 Amira, go. Go, go. Go, Amira, go. Go. Dance. Dance.
Oh.
Oh.
Amazing.
What is that?
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Go around. Go around. Go around it. Go, Amira, go. Go, go. Go, Amira, go. Go, go. Go, Amira, go. Go, go. Oh, go, go.
One hand on the wheel, driving with one hand on money.